Howdy folks, this is Kyle Speed 1 coming at you again about slot cars. Alright, y'all recognize that little puppy right there, the Revell Monogram Porsche 550 Spider. It is a cute little car, and guess what? She runs. She's alive. She's alive. Yeah. So, remember what I told you about that plastic pinion gear? I ended up making the exact same repairs on this one as I did the BMW. And that was using that ballpoint ink pen tube and replacing the pinion with a brass 9-tooth pinion and gluing it all back together, the shaft on the ink tube shaft onto the shafts of the extended pinion shaft to the motor. And as you just saw in the video, it works. Same as the BMW. So there's that. Okay. Now I have a couple of more things to show you if you're patient. I've been doing lots of other things while other stuff was going on in my life. But one of them is, there's one of my retaining walls that I got. Here's the second one, and they're not painted because I'm fresh out of paint. And that's what they look like once you've gotten them all painted up. Those are racetrack scenics. Okay, now the second surprise I have for you, also from Racetrack Scenics, is look at that catch fence. And I got it coming around to these outer corners of my table, which if you look at my ping pong table, I'm already hanging out there in the open. There's even one on the inside, which is cool. And here's another one. These are all 60-degree turns, Carrera track. Okay, so there's another one. And there's the last one. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me back away. Yeah, there's the last one. Okay, so they do work, of course. They keep the little cars where they're supposed to be. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. I just don't have any rattle can paint to paint them up. I'm trying to watch my money. But in the meantime, that doesn't mean I can't enjoy my track. And now that I've got my little 550 Porsche Spider running again, I've been putting some laps in on her. So again, if you come across that pinion problem, especially if it's that white plastic, that white nylon, don't be discouraged. Order you the same size pinion, whether it's a 9-tooth or whatever. Now I'm using slotted pinions, brass pinions, and they're pressing onto the shaft just fine, and everything's holding up just fine. So let me know if you come up with a better idea, because at this point what I'm doing works with that ballpoint ink pen ink reservoir tube and CA glue and a new pinion It's working just fine on both of those cars. So that's pretty much what I got for you today. God bless. Take care. Enjoy those slot cars and happy motoring. I'll talk to you later. Bye.